Hi, my name is Nidhi and I am Senior Manager at JKM Overseas and JKM Tour and Travels. This company is almost 12 years old and we are running this organization for travel business and immigration and visa. Basically, the idea to start travel business and visa business, we want to help people because we are into same industry. I am into same industry from almost 15 to 17 years, and we have seen that there are multiple people suffering with the fraudsters, and there are multiple agents who are assuring you for the visa and they are not doing anything. So, seeing all these situations, we think let's start something and do it properly, legitimate तरीके से करने के लिए. And there are multiple people who got refusals, guide them properly. That's why we are working from last 15 years with God Grace and people who are not receiving their visa. So in that case, we help them. I mean, especially in the refusal cases, we can tell them that people who are suffering with the fraudsters, they are not getting the visa, they are not getting their approvals. So we can help them with the proper documentation and they got their approvals. Okay, so tour is something where you never can be expertise in something. This world is very big and everyone wants to go with their budget. So we are getting multiple inquiries with multiple budgets. Let's say if there is someone who is having a small budget of 50,000, so you must be expertise that you send them in some location in the budget of 50,000. If there is something who is looking forward for a luxury trip and they have a budget of almost 5 lakhs, so you have to send them on the same location for a luxury treatment. So I understand there is no perfection. You must be perfect to send your client in their own customized budget in the same location. Challenges are multiple and overcome, I think the knowledge, experience, and patience is required. How you are handling your client, it is required. Challenges are different, and you're getting you're not getting same challenges every time. Multiple people you need to work with. There are different types of queries arise. Clients के बहुत सारे ऐसे questions होते हैं जो कभी नहीं सुने. So you must have to be multitasking and you have to be सॉल्यूशन होना चाहिए आपके पास. किसी ना किसी प्रॉब्लम का ऑलवेज एक सॉल्यूशन होता है. तो आपके पास आप इतना खुद को निपुण बनाएं जिससे आप हर क्लाइंट की क्वेरी हैंडल कर सकें और उनको एक सही तरीके से गाइड कर सकें. तो मुझे लगता है कि पेशेंस इज रिक्वायर्ड एंड आपकी प्रॉपर नॉलेज, एक्सपीरियंस इज रिक्वायर्ड. COVID is a situation where everyone face and there are so many difficulties arise. Business में भी बहुत कुछ हुआ, but वो एक ऐसी situation थी where हमारा patience, हमारा रेफरेंस उस वक्त काम आया. ठीक है, ट्रैवल बिजनेस नहीं था बट बिकॉज सब कुछ ही बंद हो गया था. तो हम लोग ट्रैवल बिजनेस को तो ऊपर नहीं उठा सके, बट देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स जो हम कर सकते थे और वो हमने किया भी. जैसे प्रमोशंस किए आफ्टर कोविड, हमने वीज़ास प्रमोट किए, या फिर आफ्टर कोविड जो हमारे पास पैकेजेस प्रमोट हो रहे थे हमने वो सब दिया. तो ये हम कर सकते थे, वो हमने किया भी. लास्ट ईयर्स की बुकिंग अगर हम बोले तो वी आर प्रोमोटिंग. Last year we was promoting USA, Canada, Australia and UK, and in Asian countries we did Bali and we did Thailand, Vietnam. तो अच्छा था, it was good. नेक्स्ट प्लान गोल्स, जो कंट्रीज हमारे ट्रैवल में अभी तक हमने ऐड ऑन नहीं की हैं या फिर हम कह सकते हैं कि कोई भी क्लाइंट किसी एरिया में नहीं गए, तो आई रियली वांट टू send my clients to those special attractions, off-beat attractions जो किसी के सामने नहीं आई हैं. हम वहाँ पे अपने clients को भेजना चाहते हैं एंड उनको कुछ सरप्राइज भी प्लान करना चाहते हैं उनके लिए. Travio is wonderful, I can say. Travio team is very hard working. They guys are literally working till 8. I mean, this is um, this is something where I attract with them. I refer many clients, friends, family members to them because I am very much satisfied with the services. And सबसे अच्छी बात ये लगती है कि फ्रॉम 10 to 8, फ्रॉम 10 to 7:30 आपका काम शुरू होने से पहले ट्रैवल की टीम काम शुरू कर देती है, एंड दे आर ऑलवेज आंसरेबल ऑन अ सिंगल कॉल.